Hey guys, let me tell you a little secret. What makes things flow? Fishing line. Fishing line makes things float. Hey there fellas, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to use fishing line to make your things float. Now first of all, why fishing line? It can handle heavy weight. It won't snap that easily. Most of the time if something falls, it's because you did a bad knot onto it, so it didn't hold, the knot didn't hold. It can handle big fish. Well, everybody knows the big fish stories are actually just lies, so we know it fellas, don't lie with the big fish stories. Just kidding, hope you catch some really big fish this summer. But fishing line, so first of all, you look around the house, you look for a high spot, you look at the ceilings, are there hooks, are there stuff that you can put the fishing line on? Check out the hook, is it durable, is it really in there, can it hold the fishing line and weight? Just try to pull it. If it comes out, don't put anything in it. Just find a great place that will hold any kind of weight. Well, you know, any kind of weight, the maximum weight that you're gonna use, and probably not that much. You're not gonna put yourself into it. If you can put yourself into it, that's even better. Then you just pull that fishing line onto that hook, do a knot, and like here I used my knife and I put my knife on there and voila, here's the photo. Now next off, if you don't have hooks, if you can't find anything, just use your imagination. Now this really isn't that imaginary, but I used a mic stand. A mic stand is great because it can hold weight. Now this mic stand that I'm using can hold up to 3 kilos of weight, which means that I can actually do flat lays with my camera on it, and it holds perfectly. So now in this picture I'm gonna use my coffee mug, I'm gonna put a knot onto the fishing line and put it on the mic stand, and here you go, the photo. Now to the editing. Now the fishing line still shows in those pictures. Here you can see I've color graded, edited those pictures. I'm gonna right click on the picture, edit it in Photoshop, boom, it goes to Photoshop. Now in Photoshop, all you have to do is zoom in a little bit, take the spot removal tool, adjust it that is just the right size, not too big but not too small, that it fits the fishing line. Start deleting that fishing line, Ctrl-0 to zoom out and Ctrl-W to save it, and it transfers back to Lightroom. The same goes for the next picture, edit in Photoshop, zoom in a little bit, take the spot removal tool, delete that fishing line, Ctrl-W, and it transfers back to Lightroom. And you can actually export it from there to your computer and use it as you want on Instagram, on a YouTube thumbnail, whatever you want. So that's about it. Now, why don't I do this all in Photoshop? Why don't I just mask in the subject, make it look like it floats, stuff like that? Well, I want it to look as natural as possible. I want to get creative. This makes you get creative. You can use different kind of scenery, sites. You can put it on a branch, you can put it on the ceiling, you can just come up with stuff where you want to put it to flow. You can do that also in Photoshop, but it gets you going, it gets you outside, it gets you to put things anywhere, everywhere. Just don't leave them there, take them with you. Remember that, don't leave your stuff there. And that's about it. I've done all kinds of photos with this technique. Here are a few that I'm gonna show you. There you go. And that's it. Hope you liked the tutorial. If you did, press the like button, remember to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.